showing y'all a bunch of different ways that you can style a t-shirt, because everyone has t-shirts. I feel like a lot of people think that the only way to wear a t-shirt is with leggings and tennis shoes or a pair of Nike shorts or whatever, but I'm just gonna show you today that that just ain't true. I'm not gonna ramble on, we're just gonna get right into all the looks, so let's just go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so for this first look, we are channeling the cutest girl on the playground. Now, this outfit is a pair of overalls with a crop top t-shirt. I'm pairing it with a pair of low-rise sneakers, a few cute little clippies, and some pretty simple silver jewelry. This is such a fun and playful look. It's pretty relaxed and laid back, but it's still very cute and playful. So there you have it. So next we are channeling our inner picnic chick. Now this look is probably the most casual of all of them. It is just a regular old plain pair of blue jean shorts and an oversized tee tucked in at the front. I've paired a red bandana with it just to tie in the red from the shirt and make it more cohesive. I'm pairing this look with just some white Vans that have been worn more times than I can honestly count, and once again just some simple silver jewelry. So cute, so cozy, probably going on a picnic. There you have it. It is time to channel our modern day Annie Oakley. I want to say this is my favorite look, but I feel like a lot of them are my favorite. Anyways, I really like this one. It is a midi dress with a t-shirt on top. The tee that I'm wearing is a cropped tee, and I have tied it in the front. I have paired it with a white belt as well as some white cowboy boots. I am also pairing it with a clear little purse, and once again, just some simple silver jewelry. I really love this look. It's very versatile, could be worn in a lot of different settings, and it's super fun. So there you go. For this look, we are going to be channeling our most playful side yet. This look is really comfy and also super cute. For this look, I'm pairing an oversized t-shirt with a pair of biker shorts and a long sleeve turtleneck to go underneath. I'm pairing this look with some Nike Air Force Ones and some cute little socks, as well as a cute little iridescent backpack. For jewelry on this one, I am just going with some simple little golden stars. I love this look. I feel really comfy and playful in this look. So there you have it. Next up, we are channeling our too cool for corporate vibes. I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite look from the whole video. I'm pairing an oversized t-shirt with some white denim pants and a golden blazer. I have paired this look with some strappy heels and a golden belt to just add a little bit more pizzazz to the look. I am pairing this with some gold statement jewelry, which really ties this belt in. And I feel like this look is really fierce, yet she's wearing a t-shirt at the same time. There you have it. I absolutely adore this look. Next up, we are channeling a bit of an edge. This look is a dark but really fun pair of pants. They are plaid with little ruffles on the bottom. I am pairing it with a cropped t-shirt, a leather belt. I'm pairing this look with a pair of black leather loafers. I feel like combat boots or something of the sort would also go well. I have also paired it with a black leather purse. And for jewelry, I have done some simple gold jewelry to tie in with the details of the purse. There you have it, a little bit of an edgier side. Next up, we are channeling our sweetheart with a little bit of a sassy side. And like, she's cute as can be. She looks so sweet, but these boots are made for walking, if you know what I mean. So this look is a super cute fitted skirt with a long sleeve turtleneck lacy shirt underneath and an oversized tee, which I have tied in the front and tucked the tie underneath. I have paired this look with a pair of white boots, as well as a white belt at the waist and a white purse to tie it all in. For jewelry, with this look, I went with some simple silver hoops and a cute little leather pearl necklace. So there you have it. Next up, we are channeling some straight up biker vibes. So for this look, I'm just wearing a regular old pair of black denim skinny jeans with a long sleeve Harley Davidson t-shirt. I've tucked the t-shirt in. Basically for this look, you're just going to add a bunch of leather. As much leather as you can find in any shape or form. So I have added an oversized leather jacket with a leather belt. I am pairing this look with some black cowboy boots and some silver hoops. I feel like this look is super hard. Like I have no idea who I'm about to beat up or something. Okay, so anyways, there you have it. So our last look, I honestly have no idea what to call this one, just being honest. I couldn't come up with anything super creative. I kind of thought that this outfit was weird at first. I saw a girl on Instagram wearing an outfit like this and I was like, cute, and all it is just a pair of denim jeans with a smaller tee, so not really an oversized tee, with a bodysuit on top. Kind of weird, but super cute. So I'm pairing this look with just some simple black sandals, as well as a black belt and a clear purse. For jewelry on this look, I went with some cute little red heart dangly earrings and some silver jewelry on my arm. So there you have it. That is our final look. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun for me to make. Please comment and let me know what your favorite look was from this video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.